These smell amazing. I just bought a handful of Perigord black truffles from France. This is what $150 worth of black truffles looks like. Winter black truffles are mycorrhizal with specific trees and fruit underground with strong aromas to attract mammals and insects to eat them and disperse the densely packed spores. They are a prized choice edible with a beautiful black color and warty to smooth surface. A combination of slicing them very thin on a mandolin as well as grating enhances the aroma and taste. They pair well with rich fatty foods that contain butter and cream. They go great with eggs, cheeses, even chocolate desserts, fatty meats, shellfish, and I particularly like them with pasta. If I have any left over, I make truffle salt and truffle butter that make wonderful holiday gifts. Australia and the United States have tried their hand at cultivating tuber melanosporum, but I prefer the original European variety. That's a potent aroma. Black diamonds, baby. Black diamonds. Winter black truffles. Tuber melanosporum. From Perigord, France. Yum. Let's see what I can make. Roasted lobster ravioli with vodka sauce and black winter truffles is on the menu today. Delicious. Heavy cream, fresh basil, vodka, garlic, tomato paste, onion, crushed tomatoes, roasted lobster ravioli, and of course the black truffles. A fresh burrata caprese salad with more truffles pairs great with this dish. Tomato salad, burrata, balsamic, good extra virgin olive oil, lots of black truffles and black truffle salt. And that's a salad. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. delicious roasted lobster ravioli with vodka sauce and black winter truffles. We have my vodka sauce, lobster ravioli, and these fabulous black truffles, steaming hot black truffles. Let's take a bite. The umami from the earthy truffles pairs so good with the bite of the al dente pasta, the sweetness of the shellfish, and the basil. A little bit of that Parmesan in there, vodka, cream. It's so good. The shellfish isn't fishy. Now, one thing overpowers the other, but I will say, these black truffles, man, they're insane. First time making vodka sauce. Success. Winter black truffles, where it's at. Heavenly.